Asema miensa abo apano nsia wo munyina adwo momakwapa ediba DLFM 106.9 emana sense mahodo am yaboaboa no se numre no nsia kase ebo no yede mo kire munyina da eba ebesom ne yeka mo sense mahodo a yensa so se numre no nsia kase ebo no yakrite ni nyina da egoguyen abefo tentan kase ne so am na ye dlfmonline.com enwa chinsu kase ebo no enam DLFM yen app no ena bio tuning app on so yen Facebook and YouTube ni nyina da eye adwuma na ye DLFM 106.9 kasiebwe ehunfoni any videos awodo nam so am ubenya bi ahwem emresem ye bejo adwenkyere no akenkan a na eye Facebook no so at DLFM 106.9 enumre yi ensem titira ebedi kasebro makotini bi ene say ye begina mu ewo nkran pompure mantem na Sprinter Benz ehyen bi a edi o my Ghana a school mo from moyenke school for mo from moyenke to akura mususu akura poli dubako o mo kwa gonye nkwanhia e wo mra tipa track bi ekwatwa afa wono mo so e wo zowuru ekọ akra mo kwantem pon so ma mekese mo fando do na eprepre de mu kire mu ebesom e wakase bonum
Ghana mampeni akasa de sema tudwa echemu so monye sakraye ewa bibiman pension system nim se na ebe ye adwumaye fon so so betimi aretai no omu de anuonyam hye ana ebe retai
na Ghana fo bekai a emfimpimi no ene edenu enumu na ye osana boseme na toso ensia ena yenya nte se o my Ghana aswafo ene asrafo no ma na nkomokwa asantemantem kumasi kwenya ewiem hye nkwanhia ema omen ene ebirisie pa na efra wo men na nyasem kuma kura na ne Ghana man pendants mato atugya fa ho kirem sei oboa adehye mu firi mu na busua se be ya omodache bibia be konka ne ede ama wonom
Eyade a Constitutional Review Committee for the proposal ekoto aban nim senka eya aban no 4 years no mde mom no komo fenko anim necessary de yade aban ede ne nsa hyase a omatre mu ede akọ infie enum
na ye begina mu ewo men osoafo a wo no ene wo hwe o my Ghana ya 10 ne so no kure ya enso na wasanso ye aban lawyer penny mechire Attorney General and Minister for Justice oniminyam for Dr. Dominic Ayene odensem atuje kiremi sei sese no mo ababa yanhyehyɛ soronko asesa o my Ghana mamre ma ho kwan se beyam aban sisem po a o mampeni entumi mpawa aswafo a wonom bebro aduesia ewo manyim
Ahafo no Southwest District Assembly ede eye bonkwaso maternity home no ede amafamak enterprise sane ebe yombe yensese de afa na ya yaresabi obi abetimi akọ no akọja yarehwe
ensam no pina ne kan ya se wonkonwa beso mo se enumre no nsia kase wo die lo ha ne nsia echiripo enkron kasa fidie som ne ya ka mo se adwumakuo sunku bi aba my Ghana mu am omudwumadi omudie na hote papa apante mesrew ebe na adwumadi a wudie no ubehia nwom ene mfidie wase ente mesrew adwumakuo ne dia da wono so no eye Fel Group Band tiedi ni ye eye Fel Group Band eno Mr. Philip Aboagye na adwumakuo yi esi ne sere so ebi ana wo ya wedding wo ye aye kwesi bonu beka ne se funerals ana se bia wo ya wo birthday party wa wuda bi na wudie eno achi kura no ebi ana wasua adwuma wo pon ho se graduation ana se school ni a wo wie school ni nyina graduation kura ya eno achi insori programs ene beka ne se church programs no ana se nhyemude ahodo ya mbe hia live band wasere medofo yi look no further mesra wada fakwadane Mr. First ne yamwa opa ne yafa ne se Fel Group Band yabasom pa mo wani age papa na de enti ayen ene yesafata se yabasom wode niem yawa quality sound ene yesanso professional instrumentalist anyum bia ye nemto ene mayere ne boka manso yesanso quality sound emfidie no ehote pa upa ye chi yakwan a yawatema community 22 ba roso inside hon ma ene butum ya homa trufo ni 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 ana 0541 149 741 yanu mu bonso de da form pass na nanom ene ante
Menkan Lumba super enfema super pa obi ato aguso a wo to bi sese de wo fa ba bia Lumba super ana ekọ enu ntini kan implementem hanom ye wo so distributors bebre a okọ a onsa ebetimi aka Lumba super ni bi na emom se open dodo etu aton de a frempeni4 ewo 0549889685 ana 0549436616
na numere ya san akao se bibi eba na de kro na eba no eba won kan bepre mantrem na nya ba bia sei madehia mo wo prampram adehia mo wo prampram yi wonim se o manyim afahye duru ho no ma nya dewa nanso prampram afahye na afahye ba ko bia ye soronko kra enti mesremo eye prampram homo afahye yankopɔ ya atoma osana bosumedi anim ne etoso 29 ekopem ne da etoso aduasa ewo mfempem mienu ye de nse wo man Ghana beye de pad na ye prampram pante mesrewa dam ne nyina ne se fast trade na afi prampram nananom atena konwa akabom de dwumade sonkwa yato ne den se fast trade cultural and food festival ebetodwa ewo prampram pa ante no de ebemanya fade na ebede him wase afi nso adwade ebekoso enuane atonde nneema pii na afi nso amambre ne afade ebekoso na nyasem kuma kura na de dikan ne beye 14th August no eno ne bedi kan bia dwumane no kama bepa ho ntoma kama ye wia ne de toso eye 15th August enwom pa ne asa bekoso ne nyadewa sanzan de toso eye 16th August no eho no na ebenya vocational training day 1 ye be kire chensan dwuma wani beje pa ka prewu ntua intimidofo yi umpewe na peka ya motom ti bomodia na bo ho se yankopɔ ya atoma on the 14th August ekwapem 30th August 2026 ewo prampram ebetodwa ewo prampram Anglican Park enyi hu mfine fise dwumade we no wo pa wa hwe ne ye fie kura no umpa kire kwan biom we na dwuma kwasu asese yentena ase ne yemfa enumene onsia ka sebo no emesomo akenkafo banu yase nkonwa ebesomo no edi ameje so yo wofa ose ade yo de wa at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ba hotedin ane bantwere bona na otafrija menem go fa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ye ho ye ba ye de kasebo no enchiri mankasa ebesomo nansa na no me wo fa se rose gold for no mo so mo menti no yenkwa ni ye ba sisi a
The Yale News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu milika neshia yen ewo Facebook na afinsi YouTube na yemfa kasebo no enchiri mankasa ensomom ya sha kasebo na se ede fro my Ghana yenkran popure mantai modia na arahosama abato DL kasebo pono so chirem sei ena wie ya Benz Sprinter bus a eson o my Ghana ya ne mofra wa na mokọ lower primary school ewo nkran hanom chese omana mpode tu ba ko na wonom nyina da wonom mote Benz Sprinter bus nim na esususa na wonom ekọ excursion ensrahwe na mra wonom nam dwoguru kwantempon yi so enmoni kiremu ekọ akramo ena chese tipa truck tintintin kese yi bi ono so aso ano pa ofri enwa no so chese akramo honom eno so ebetwam afa dwoguru kwantempon no so ena obi nim de ebo modin kosi ya chese odekwa yantam Sprinter bus men yet kana tete amwa kwa chese mofra pod du ba ko ne pra o mapra no ano edin ye papa na Ghana National Fire Service mekire otumja adwuma ekom nante ekogura hodom a omukọbọ adwumaden ye patwitwa ahye na bomode ye mofra ni nada etimi de wonom afri ahye nim na wonom ukire mi sei mofra no mo ahye ni mu eye titiru Sprinter bus ni mu no wonom enam pod du ba ko a chese bi kotodwe no tumi se suwa bie ema chese moja e pram no nyate wa bebie bi mo da no se yankopon amfafia chese be ha dwempa awo manyim na wonom ukire mi sei na ni nyina ne sei na hyenya eno no ya Sprinter bus na efri dwuru kwantempon so edna ne akire mum ewo akramo mpotemu no na hyenkane na kwagina kwan ho a na wasi a school form of benu a wodo wonom etwa kwantempon num na mna wodo mu twa mu pe na tipa truck nso de mirikatente na hyen bi de nanim a kyese ne ho nya hente ya kwaduro mirikatom o pentema twam oyifa ho apɛ sa na kai nso so ya Sprinter bus so o maga na yadusuafo yi pɔrɔpɔrɔ du ba ko etimi na ne so esi kwan ho a kyese mofra pɔrɔpɔrɔ nkro gitim ena tipa truck de akɔ yentamu state ha kyese fatiwa no ne nsa ka kyerɛ wo ba Facebook no so a eye DLFM 106.9 yamadafo bra behwe o kyese Sprinter bus ne nyina tete kura kyese otumi jadwuma ekuro mante bomode atwitwa ahyen ni mpo ansa na mofra no wonom atwe wonom de afiri eye ehyen nim na mna de ye kase bomode a ene DO1 na Leskin Nati obadwumaden at the Department of Ghana National Fire Service echechire mu se de nkwanhia no ehun sem no etie
Okay, nti prade nyame adum so far no obi enye nwu ye. We bompa say may remain like that. But the Colorado very severe condition no. Ya bompa say enkasa ba ma no mambe ye wow kese. We cannot fit because me no ka say akola ba ko police hospital no. Ono no 9 years no very deep open cuts. Say akola no so a o hwe na be be 3 or 4 years. Shaka in Mumpai near Bossing, I mean the Nunca Becheno. 37 so Colatena, or receiving treatment or no. In Mamin, or more no. And see a very serious Baku open caps, Monsieur. I just say, no, as a and Baku saw abortion, only Nitino, there's a deep cut, only. I just say, a doctor say, oh, 37 police hospital, urban modern say, somebody don't be maybe I no more stabilize it and Palano. It's no, in fact, say it should remain like that now. Ma be and come for now.
Na ne kura mu na di yakase bo ene DO1 Alex Kinati ebisa ne se openie na se no muhwehwe ma beda de no ekire se de pa ena de nkwanhia epa ye eno akire so ahyenkafo benu na wonom etwa ahyen no so sense ahifa ena wonom ewe no so ode nkyeremu sei eto di yakase bo enim.
Officer baby says asat na what to me the cause of the accident.
And the cause of the accident there, preliminary findings suggest to say, Mr. Tipper truck driver no, now free a cram offside on a motorway, maybe Matches Fiesta Royal final.
Okay.
Now, no, the car BH, including against the car, no, a slow and see now or you overtaking. Overtaking no, you know, now at that same time now, sprinter no, uncle team no, now driver needs see Eddie Akolaba, trim, or the other side. No, into no, just the no, car no, also will be our parking now and the best. Now our parking will a middle road now, as a more a castle, no, if you know, into no, we know yeah, wrongful overtaking no. Once with such a car, double axle, into me about trans brake, and now we are trans overtaking with speed as well. Ebetu, Ebetu, nti ena etu no losing controller, chese odeko nyam nkwala na aka woka no sprinter no.
It has at now no drivers na me nyina we.
Nti omu nyina no omu police for nchen omu assist with investigation.
Ene ya woti ye ono abo adwumaden edema otumja adwumayeku a eno awo man ganem obo adwuma efiri wonom enkrabata ehwe wonom kita hudie suom. Ne den ade DO1 Alex Kinati Enquires mu nsem no mu kiremu no ena wode asumenti say no sprinter bus aye Enquires wa station number no eye GT 5717-14 GT 5717-14 ena akwanya Enquires amekasei akwageta emofanda yare sabia no enti se wo hyen ena hyenkene de kwa adwuma mesere obomodin abo pini honom na kwa hwede yakwa vise inse Enquires na no wode nsika de asie no wo ko fifa to so na hwese de car na aye na utumu se car na atete kura o hwese de car na damage aye na mofane titim ukita tipa truck na udim ne katente na huanim a na wo overtaking
omo ya pao
na o kire se na Benz driver we nso no ono so park ba bia na se o park ye entomi anu nyina difo na hwese de car na aye ye mo franketoa lower primary mo fra pole tobacco
Bakwaje wan say na we ne so no senka wanye overtaking na
there was a wrongful overtaking
wanye overtaking na ka ensisa
in fact ya said de bia be koso atena nkwanhia ho man mu saa de bia da saa sika yanto aka se bon tubotum da adwen kyerena beto ase o Facebook no so at DLFM 106.9 mre se baje mre ekenkan ni nyina e de asom
Yantoa kasiabone so na Ghana mampeni abedi eche Professor na Jane Opoku Agyeman eden sema tudwa eche mu se ewo so mutimi yen sakraye ewo bibimaye pension system nim esan se adwumaye fom pempempa na eye adwuma enche eyade ombekọ mahomigye mu na ohwe eye informal sector nim ehonom ana chese nipa dodo na ewo no ma ewo so mutimi hwe so mokọ ahomigye mu a omani onyam hye so betimi akoso no musika sam ho banbo bibia etimi akoye ede ama wom no de nsemi ede tudwa ewa abra omubie 2026 annual conference ede ma African Pension Supervisors Association eno ekoso ewo nkran pupni mantem hanom eye bibi ma mamu etimi hye momo a mu wotumi omutimi ekasa eye nwumeku ahodom nso eboa wosikasem nyina no etimi ebaabi ana ye Ghana mampani abede ekire musa sa nwumeku ahodo we nyina emo asane ebeyom betimi ayensiesie no matre mu na omunso dwumadie no etimi akoso na abra wakasa na ye professor na Adjoa Agyei ema ya na musifo mufra mafoforo so baye na akwa aba esisi duo bio se ya de Ghana de ye omahofama so omunso no eba eye retirement security ni mo betimi ahyemu kinapan esan se bibimel mu ye kosoa eye world's youngest continent o hwe omo omadi frishi aduasia ekoni nyina na mo hwe nim se nkosi eye mfimpimienu ni aduonan ni mu de na cheso matimi edubeye 226 million na cheso mo kwanim ye papa na oman Ghana omo so omo nyinu ye population e kosoro nti ehu behia so omo betimi ahya eye pension system ni mu kinan na omatimi atre mu sane ebe yasikasam ni bibia ebetimi akosoye na eye omampani abede eche sanso edi tudwa eche mu se ohwe African workforce na ya de abeye 1/5 ana chese pension scheme no cover wom ye 85% de omo na wo ye informal sector nim no ehwe ana chese omo so kwa homije ma na ye bisi basante omo momode ahwe so omo betimi atre mu edi ama wom.
For decades, pension systems around the world were designed around formal employment, relationships characterized by relatively predictable incomes and regular contributions. Yet, Africa's labor market is far more diverse and dynamic. Many citizens move between occupations over the course of their working lives and therefore earn irregular incomes. Many combine multiple sources of livelihood or work outside traditional employment structures altogether. These realities require us to reimagine old age security by designing systems that recognize the realities of informal work and create pathways through which workers in the informal sector participate meaningfully in retirement savings and protection schemes. The choices we make today will determine whether millions of Africans enter old age with dignity and security or not.
Eni ya wuti ye Ghana mampani abedi eche Professor Adjoa Agyei.
Yantoa kasebwa no so ne yemfiri Ghana mampani abedi echira kache na yemfi ya ne mfankyerem Ghana mampani ono wankasa na kache ne nsem no ebi firi ho no ma eba pam na Ghana fo beka ya na eye osana boso ne na toso ensia ewo mfempim ne aduonu numu mekire 6 August 2025 eye ukwade tuntum ema oman Ghana nyina efura akobene eni brise wo manyimu a eto oman Ghana na bese no na nya semkuma ni nyina ne se na ewiemuhyanya na ede oman Ghana mpenifa wonomosom ewo yem papa John Dram mani mahama memwo mu a na omadi omani echirem wo boase no momadi akwa cheche oman Ghana de hye ekwampa ebefa se betu fum agudie se be ya galamsi wa na etete oman no eso betumi atem na wono nam pe enam kokwanya nkwanhye wa kurufuo mu mpotem ho no ma kyese enipa na mo ewiemhye ni mu no mo nyina da pode nwotwe ba kokora nka na yanka Ghana fo yawo enipa na mo mu no dedikan eye akane osoafo no hwe oman Ghana ya ho ba monsem so mekire former defense minister Dr. Edward Omane Boama waka ho a ne nkwa efiri ne nsa Dr. Ibrahim Mutala Muhammad ahwere ne nkwa Sansona Alhaji Muniru Muhammad wakahumbi Dr. Samuel Sapon efrimu Sansona Samuel Abuaje eka ho a womonso na mutwi ewremhye ne mekire crew members no squadron leader Peter Bafemi eye Anala papai ne nkwa firi se ya na ahomete pam Sansona fine officer eye Manai Twum Ampedu efrimu Sansona dotwa to okra sergeant NS Atu Mensa wono nyina da nipa pode nwotwe ewiemuhye nkwanhia eje omu nyina nkwa edifro magana kuradua yi mu a emo men eto ya bese no nene Ghana mampeni yam papa John Dram mani mahama wa friends and trefo ana afi nso Oman Ghana de hye mu firi mabusua na omadi nkomo. Na Ghana mampeni ensrahwe a okwa wode mo nche na omkodi nkomo no. Omampeni kire mi se sa nkwanhie sie wa danse akurufom awa sentimentem ne yade a etwa Oman Ghana fo ye nsuru papa no wode ne pam. Ne senti omampeni ankasa atwera kan tenten e de yakoma de hye mu firi mu emma. Wode mabusua e de ate wode manim sei. Omo de papa nom e na maame nom asepa wosompa omo de somo man. Nanso na me se ba mo wo kura de ankwantum nginti no. So wo be fo papa ene wode mawofo kwa. Omo mo nyina hyede nanso Oman Ghana man ni aban. Nya da wo yimbe yi wo twetene kura. Na mampeni kire mi sei. Yemfa nto Ghana fo nyina nim sei. Efiri neko se ebomade aka wonanti na aka to ne senti. Aban ayi sika botina ne bo den pam. 1 million Ghana cedis ade ma de hyiam. Wonu mu firi mu no, wonu mu nyina ma. Nti akwala ba ku bia benya 1 million Ghana cedis a eya foto aban no ebo ede ama mofra no. Afen so omapo mu den nsensem, omokware sabe ya kapre, omuntua bi da kwapem so mbewura fi atatefo asase so. Omusuku ko no mbibia, Oman Ghana afa ho kanyina pepepe. Na mana Ghana mampeni peremo boata, John Dramani Mahama, one adihwe mu firi mu ema ene omabusua hye mu ewo nedua yi ene wo kire mi sei. Yamfa ntuma nim papa de esi ye ne mu ya papa sabe. Majanom esumo men na papa wa abata fasase so obono ho bra so obehwe wo na ne ma ho donti okoso mo ne ma hin nkwanhia si mo nyina hwere mo nkwane yade a etwa mo fra ne nsunum na Ghana man so etwa nsunum papa enti mo fa ne koma mfanto mo yempa ne mo mabusua ne mo yere mu nyinada oman be ko so ata abusua nachi ahwe se be ya omo ma yento no majeje mu kura Ghana man peni tire mi sei hyehyɛ yapa ena omawofo sompom no som Ghana nya de Oman Ghana yɛwere be firi wonom de biala dam Oman bekwa so aka omudwumade mo boye enti oman so begina mo nan so ahwe ahunu so mo mofra no mabusua no wo mbedi ese dachi bia no meyo seresrefo e wo manyim Ghana man peni kasa e munchire mu no enie.
The affected family has been enrolled onto the premier plan of nationwide medical insurance. The company's highest level of healthcare coverage has been awarded to these families. This package provides an annual healthcare value of 3 million cedis across all dependents and grants access to 942 accredited healthcare providers throughout Ghana. Each family will receive a unique identification card today, and it was in the boxes that we're giving to you, which will provide seamless access to this healthcare support whenever it's needed. Recognizing that education is the greatest investment we can make into the future of these children, and that conviction has led to the establishment of the Children's Support Fund. The fund is not an act of charity, it is a solemn national obligation to our fallen heroes. It reflects our collective determination that the children of our departed heroes will continue to receive the opportunities their parents would have wished for them. I'm pleased to report that 13 professionally managed trust accounts have been established at Stanbic Bank for the benefit of the minor children, and government has deposited 1 million cedis each into each of these trust accounts.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni a wuti ye eye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Yentwa Kasiabone so na Attorney General no so ana ye Minister for Justice ye Dr. Dominic Ayene e de atudwa HM say eye proposal Constitutional Review Committee e de koma aban say ba eye president ene eye parliament for na eye mfie dodo amudi ye adwuma no na komuntre mu emfen free mfie nan emfen ko mfie num no se de yade aban e de nsa e de ahyase no de nsemi tudwa e wa abra no de eye white paper no efa Constitutional Review Committee for proposal ne ho eko akoma aban ana Dr. Yene kasa no chemu se proposal no yade omuhu ne se emre dodo e wosenka aban no nyasa ne be yodi bedi dwuma no se mfie nan ne de enya ade ebetimi aboa wo mesansa ansa no be hyase so obetena akonya ne so aye adwuma eni so obewie no so obefra akonya ne so a esansa abato ho sensem ne hyehye ni ntino onhyeda enyamre emfendi dwuma bebre nti sa mfie num ye omode ama omu ide ebeboa sane abeya aban ne so ba policies ahodo de beba no betimi edi ho dwuma.
The government has accepted a recommendation to extend the term of office of the president from 4 years to 5 years, with the term of parliament extended to correspond with this. our thinking is practical. Under the current 4-year cycle, the early months of every administration are consumed by transition matters, and the final year is largely consumed by elections. A 5-year term provides a more realistic time frame for the formulation, implementation, and assessment of government policy.
Enwachi and Attorney General no also and a Minister for Justice Dr. Dominic Ayene Edi to John Ochemuso bi ekita enkrata mienu se bia obi free Ghana or sansu free Nigeria na se opese wonyina se ebia mrahye bedwane anya de ombe disqualify na emom so ye na agin so obeye omampani anaso omampani abede akire no mom anomo ma ho kwan.
The government has also accepted a recommendation on dual citizenship. A citizen of Ghana by birth who holds the citizenship of another country will no longer be barred from contesting for election to parliament only on account of his or her dual citizenship and will not be required to renounce the other citizenship. The current disqualification sits uneasily with our engagement with the diaspora and with the realities of modern citizenship. In line with this proposal, it is also the case that multiple citizenship will no longer disqualify a person from holding certain, offices, except that of, a president and vice president of the republic. So the fact that you have multiple citizenship will not bar you from becoming chief justice of the republic or becoming head of the electoral commission or, for instance, becoming speaker of parliament.
Ne krakramu ana Attorney General esanso ekasa no chemu sesese na ban agi proposal no efa nipadodo a woso mutimi etna sese eyem na hyebedwani asese no chemu anya de ebebro ahasa.
The government has accepted that the size of parliament be capped, and we propose a ceiling of 300 members. Now, the current membership of parliament is 276. So of these, the 276 will be elected directly in constituency elections like we already have. The remaining 24 will be elected or selected through proportional representation among women, persons with disabilities, and the youth. An independent study will be commissioned into the design of the proportional representation element. Capping parliament saves costs, and the reserved element opens the door of our legislature wider to those our politics has historically kept on the outside.
Eni ya uti ye Attorney General no aso ana ye Minister for Justice Dr. Dominic Ayene.
Na kire se mahye bedwa konwa no womba betrim na asade se wombeto aba ewo abato mpesua ahodo so constituency se no womba san ba beyi enipa sonku bi akomahye bedwa makaka omo 24 na ye 300 na so bi o ha wadidem ebi so mbe yi tutu ne ye ma ntiminim criteria ko mbe gina so de select wo mo aba ne beyi wo ma na se beto omo so aba eno no mbe chirechire mu yi na ye ntia se ko parliament no already na 276 Ghana for so mo dos yen se dan yo mo so mfa so ye de 400 de ya na ensem ne de eje ne tuato ya nto akase bo no so na yen kwaso anyina mu en awaso afo no men oya ban lo ye pani ono kra nso ehwe o my Ghana ya tenten ne so Dr. Dominic Ayene na yen nyina nim se o my Ghana edu ba bi no Ghana man pani epaw abadwokro sunku bi sei wana mantena asram ho mani kotu awisie endi o my Ghana ama amra no chi pam mekire 1992 constitution mo foma mbomade yamfo mani kotu awisie ni akiri na wana mu fifi amamle ni mu na ye hwese o my no dodo na ekasa sei ya ma amra no chimato bi wo ho a ese mpinifo ye mu nsakirem kakra ano na o mampani abadwokro no ma modern akọ fifi constitution ni mu awie ona o mode wo madwe nkire akoma mampani no ehun komodie nene Osafo no no my Ghana. Oya ban lo ye peni ono kura ehwe atenten ne so Dr. Dominic Ayene. Mechira Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Wakaza ejire mu se yamfa nto Ghana fo anim. Saa kane obinya tumi a ene asafo do opebia no power no. Mechira ministers no beye obi kura tumi power beye hanu. Ministers nko anu mabedi akire se yompo wo Ghana. Na Ghana sika ne tutua omo kasa ade before omo drivers ne ade ade a ebewe na Ghana sika ni nyina hye na omo chedi. Ochirema ya de ha adwemba papa enti emra ba say constitutional review committee no omususun say sa asoafo ne de enka be ya oman ne mra ma ho kwan na yempaw aduonum som 57 ena nka oman yempaw abia ba bia be yemra wontum emfa ma ne mra aduonum som ano na aban ye kiremu say omode omu hu ne say aduonum som no sa entanya hwekra no omode omu hu ne say de beboa ne say womba paw asoafo ministers no ebe ya duosia 16 na beboa pa magana kire ne kanko no etimi akwanka mu kiremu say eno ba ya ketewese ne do we se beboa pa na oman no ya mamra no bibia kama na mumu no sa banse sempo a wo ye mampani se hwan wo twu mo tene yankopon tentene ya pempo a wo boa sa asoafo aduese no a na de be ya dwuma o manyim.
There is the issue of ministers of state and the number of ministers of state, which is one of the very, I would say, thorny issues that has bedeviled our democracy for some time now. Government has accepted the proposal to cap the number of ministers, but instead of 57, as the committee recommended, government is proposing that it should be capped at 60. So it will be put into the constitution that the number of ministers that any president elected by the sovereign people of this country can appoint will be only 60. And they may or may not be drawn from parliament.
Na owie na nanso ho no ma ana wasa kire mu say abedwoku mampeni pa mu kohwe amamre mu no esanso de adwenkyere bi ba say enkabe ya mampeni Orma o modern adwenwen hu ahuni se Ghana mampani bie ne wabeso mo manya watu ato da. Ghana ni a woton pia wata wutu ato. De oye bojobodwa ne nkuruma wo kwan ho no ne yakote ne take 2 cedis. Sa na o mampani adwuma a wo ya yetua ne ka se bum 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 otu kwan ya travel allowance ne nyina chine ka pre o mampani ntua bi. Na waje ne sika no ne na busua kwache na Ghana ni mabrowa. Sabe o mana ba de sabe somro otare krama ho na o mampani aje ne sika kudi na Ghana ni mabrowa san tua ato. Eno na omu kire me say o mampeni yesa na o ye wicked itiri modern adenti na osika wogi say bafua na huntu ato so na Ghana ni mabura wo oye bodwabodwa tuato ne santi o mampeni bus market tuai efri ne ko mampeni won tuato to ana mu kire me say o mate ene de o mo ne constitutional review committee ne ya adwen eto no aban betua ne mumu no ade ba ko o mo kan say we de aban tumi ntua ade aban tumi ntua ne ye ene say aban e bia na kwankogya som aban ye gya ne kwan ebia ya to aba wie mampeni asesa into retirement unum so manga na mamla no so se wo fra kwamnya so mampeni mpo e batua wo kakopem se obewu wo begya kotua sa age wawu ansa Professor Evans Atamres de ye ntua ne kabie wafrim ana afi Jerry John Rawlings former president ye ntua wo no moka president Kufo ogi ne pay ye papa na adon kofu akufu ado bosum bia do ne pay beko entamu kirem se sa retirement payment ne de o mbesre ho ne nya kila ntua e ho de o muntua ene bio adan ne sika ene kase de beka omo so wedi akwankwaja asom ne ma no so no ehwo de abane salata momman enya de obetua so to emu nkiremu no enie.
The government has also accepted the principle that the president should not enjoy tax exemptions by virtue of office alone. The president will pay taxes on his salary and allowances, as well as the applicable indirect taxes on goods and services. The government has not, however, accepted the proposal to tax the president's retirement gratuity and pension, and the details of the president's tax liability will be worked out in the tax laws where such details belong.
Enya se mukuma kura na wan fancy wanom na Dr. Atomic ayene esa kire mu say yam fanto Ghana fu anim na yenyina ye nim say abato afibia no ayeto aba no ewo ope nima bosom na toson son mekire 7th December 2020 ana say bosum bia na afibia besimu bia na ho na yeto aba no 2020 ne kura de mbem na mu chem ze sia no omokwa asetena no any constitutional review committee na kwa akwaye nhwehwemu kakra na mu kire mi se de ade na ye no omo ka se mo koto aba no e wo bronya bosu nu mu emwa enti se no matwe aba animu se ye beto aba afi bi beto aba animu a wo mbesere wo beto aba no e wo bubu oboso nde toso nso mekire November 7 e wo abato afi bia sa no mbeye no na ne wachi nso se kakra wo ho ani ni ene se e bi oho no ma na nipa no ya to aba na wie onte ne ho ase enti opese obi a abato no ofise ya wia no enti ode kwa asem di bia osrewo ya to aba ni wia na watwe mienu 14 days enapoa polypod du na intem ansa na watumi di asem no akwa asem di bia wode be konso nya bia se Supreme Court pe na betumi di akro mekire eye election petitions no kire mi se no wachi no Supreme Court no so awabosom ba akwesa asem no wobetumi atena so no wadi asem no kama na boa na asomdwe etimi akoso ewo manyim.
We have also accepted that the presidential election be held on a day in the first week of November, as the Electoral Commission may specify by constitutional instrument. A fixed period gives certainty to the electoral calendar. It allows the Commission, the parties, and observers to plan, and it ensures an adequate interval between the election and the inauguration of the incoming president on January 7th. On presidential election petitions, the government has accepted that a petition must be filed within 14 days of the declaration of results and determined by the Supreme Court within 30 days. In other words, the constitution will be amended to specifically provide for these timelines when it comes to the, electoral petitions to be filed. And there is going to be a constitutional obligation on the part of the Electoral Commission to disclose all relevant data to the court and to all the parties. We take this position because the timely resolution of election disputes inures well to the stability of our democratic transitions and to the general political stability of our country and society.
Na kura muna aban lawyer penny ono kura nso eyo soafo a ohwe o man Ghana tenten nso e kire mu sei yamfa nto Ghana fo anim sei abedwoku o mampeni pa muka ya mamle ne mu hwehwemu no omo san de batu dwasen ka o mampeni emmo ne homoden sei enipa bia da wo pre se obegina se yento no so aba se o mampeni no o yamfinhia aduasan ye 30 years de enka ye pa na se obekwa yamfinhia aduanan ne de ana onkokurafo no dosen dodo Indika bemu abia nyamfinhia aduasa na opo mampani akwumnya yema ne kwan wonyina bi no mpre tumi nanso aban yi kire mu se yanka nkyere Ghana fo mfinhia aduasa ne de wonfisusa ayesa na wadwene mu mobew ontumi mwasa enti no de bebo pa ne se wonya mfinhia ne poli aduasa ne 35 years ekwa ne de a obetumi akopra mampani akwumnya na pass 30 years de mo nti se da ban de ba beye amamara se free na ekọ woye Ghana na wonya 35 years mfinhia aduasa ne mu a obetumi akogyanse yanto so aba na wonso dachi bia wudi nkunima amayo mampeni e wo manyim.
The committee recommended that the minimum age of eligibility for election as president be reduced from 40 years currently in the constitution to 30 years. The government has accepted this recommendation in principle, subject to one modification. The minimum age will be 35 years, not 30 years. And of course, the details of this will be fashioned out by the Constitutional Review Implementation Committee. The current threshold of 40 years excludes qualified citizens from seeking the highest office on the basis of an arbitrary age limit. 35 is consistent with the trend in modern democratic constitutions towards greater inclusivity of the youth, whilst ensuring that a candidate for the highest office has attained a measure of maturity and experience to handle that office.
Eni a woti ye ayo soafo no hwe o man Ghana. Ya tenten so no kura yanso na ya ban lawyer penny mechire Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Nidin ede oniminyam for Dr. Dominic Akraten ayene nenne ana woti
Yentwa Kasiebone so na district chief executive at the Mahafwa North Southwest district no ayononyam for Abubakar Sadiq say no or the Ayabonkwaso maternity home no any staff quarters no at the Amafamak enterprise say omuyensie no muntre musane beya yaresabi obi abetimi akohonom akwaje ayarehwe no chema project yi e de ade musika no efi district assemblies common fund ni mu a no eka assembly na ho fama omo so afato makoma so mbehwe ama pomuden sam so no etimi akoso ewo mensninim na okasa ewa abra ye handing over ceremony no ekoso no nyonyamfo Abubakar Sadiq eli tudwa na oche muso no de na koma so de ba ko pan so behu semensninim no apomuden sam so ekoye na yetimemfo mo honom no so enya hoden esan se omo wa hoden na so bi anyare na bebo amampuntujuma etimi akoso
Jeba office. The na assembly say control facility. Manasi ka 17 na ma omuntimi ntoy. That was last year. One pay your common farm where SAC chip company no. Hwempete hana kuku na ondos. Yo abensia, yo bonkwaso kuma, bonkwaso eskantia, aswoja, awuku. Kuku dos nti yeni chip company aso de. Wa ha. Ti yetu anamo ene niwa no
DLFM 106.9.
It's me try to ka yato. But the next day gina hai yes, yebe upgrading of ECC ha ama aha ayeka na yebe hanover site e dey contractor na what must say manage ha kama
Eni ya wuti ye district chief executive at the Mahafwa North Southwest mensni ne wayo nyonyamfo Abubakar Sadiq na enuachi ana district director at the Health Services Dr. Jerry Amankwa chema ya dia DC ya die papa paso no so any district assembly no afato makoma so mbehwa mapomuden wonsam so etimi akosuye na wo chirema sa omusiesie ayaresabia honom no mo sanso etremu no bomodian so ahese ye health professionals ahodo ne so no ombetimi edibi aba honom sane be yombaba abeye ejuma
ene dey dey nije da my helpful if he say finally I be hand over site number contractor na eniji sempai wo me say o ma share your boss within the next 6 months na e be available for use na eno de asempa my if he say Sammy it me between 10 to 15 deliveries but if pejemu kakra yenya more experienced staff for her bit me pejemu because communities na we have endorse it is nipa no e wo ha bebre a pejemu na enya staff no bit me enya nipa bebre na aboa apart from that no it me running OPD of between 200 and 300 in a month which is a good number even Sani state we na say what's our number we are GD pass e pejemu after 6 months January ba they be say puntu obeba nti facilities do be equipped to take care of the numbers say na be nipa dodo no nyina e bit me help na ye dey nji semai pa ene de say atari atede
Eniya utiye district director Edema Health Services Dr. Agyei Amankwa na maniboye nsem troni Barbara Cranton and Edebesomie.
We are near nyina we so na ya mama dwenche ne tew na me wo fa se Bismarck man bize watena se ode agopama so nsem eba beto akase bo no so de asom ya nyase mukuma akra na men ntia se de Yakubu na chigu ho buta
ya no ma jawe yiri no me kiai do ntuma bre awale no ntime biem ya no ma jawe yiri no me kiai do ntuma bre awale no ntime biem
Yakubu na chigu ho buta na me wo fa se Sandra Beka de aba no so Adjoa Dear News ohwe live edifit ma free zone news papa ojagwom Lumba super ajibabia na Sandra Beka kra de aba no say oh this is very sad Enquires no in fact I would hototo na me wo fa se Asante Mavis also Adjoa Dear News ohwe live edifit dance man me wo fa se Mavis nyame nhira opi Asante Mavis nyame nyokese na active TVGH me wo fa se Opoku active Emmanuel or the abana we say keep up the good work me da se me wo fa se na Teresa Edu the abana also Adjoa wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa here live edi free ewutu breaku na Dear News in fact ona po bam ene ode aka ho ode abana Richard ahwe the abana wo say Adjoa wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa in fact ye bo adwumaden esum Ghana papa kasebo no e official na ndam DJ Ghana man fide so birthday station DLFM next emo de sa no manam ode asena adwumaden a ye bosom my Ghana kasebo ne ona po bam e de aka sen na ode aka ho e de abam na me wafa se ba kan for tomati edi free sprinters Coca-Cola na ode aba na wo kire mi say ochia na wafa Sammy B ena Adjoa Agyei Sikapa na DLFM news in fact oye ona popa mu da ho brutam ode ncha kase adema osekrum na wafa osekrum sprinters Coca-Cola ho no man wo o kire ma hotel kase bo na life pam inti o che o munyina nim na be ye dre de agropama so nsem na eba na agropama sponsor no mu kire mi say Yakubu na chigu ho bruta Yakubu
ya no ma jawe yiri no me kiai do ntuma bre awale no ntime biem
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo
Bola yenya ya ni hebi se coach ni enu ko ti aye ni hwe na am santa ya man bola ha se coach ya cha what you can see the ball and home yansa what you can crash player ba kunko am fa ko over body na ya waso na no hwewu e hwewu yes
me wo fa se Bismarck man bizi atena se yan kwa ne chairman akwaba na ensma hodo a edi ahim ewa agropama so no on fa ne nyina mesom ye Bismarck na design
wo fa Nhyiraba bia boko
ya de yankopon ase ya me adom apomudi na ekose
kakra
kwa no pena me hu ye kura dum se papu bi ache pa so nim papu na ache pa na wote so pa wonim ntehyewa
dabi ntehyewa
asma
dabi
enya bi na ache wo but se de na wote so no papu chiwa ahun se ohumi ensi so etu ba bi na ohwene mu so nsuo ene ka ne papu
ebi wa me da me se me de foma num
what you say ene ye ka ne se kata ene ye ka ne papu ebi chi Peter na ase Bible ebi ka no nyame nko a nya Jesus Christ ne pia nko
ada no ya nwa modwuma na
ye Peter man sa
ada no bra
Oda bi na omprapra na.
No nyezumla.
Sa no na ba ne sa na ekoba ne sa na Yakubu kan say afidi se ne ma kwa ne. Ya hwe ni ya na chi gu ho nti no aware ne de ono a na ye ne nanso e kire din ye ntie Peter Yakubu mra.
Ya no ma ja me yiri. Ya no ma ja me yiri. Ya no ma ja me yiri. No me kia ido. Ntuma bre awale no ntime biem.
Enti sa na kwa nti Peter nyame nko a ye Jesus Christ ne pia nka ne na asi wu ye.
Asemu de mhwe afunu Yakubu.
Wabne wabro. Hwe. Wase ya mia na mija ma yira ya mia na mija no. Awale wede mi ntumi bio. Sika pa ba wale. Otimi ya no. Che.
Ise masisa maja me ware.
Beta. Isi wa form alliance. We chi gu ho. They say ni yema de nyina pie. Amanfo chi gu ho.
Ajo wankwa nu anim kra. Ana wachi gu.
Amanfo chi gu egu ho krom ha no. Masa wo de wonim yenya na kaja gum ne ya pa. Nkomo wa chire wate. Yenkom la sisi ya.
Right, we say me mo atumi mo akwa ba kwa nso koso kramra DL 106.9 megahertz remraso agude mu nsam papa na de sumu dwuma di kese esuwe no eya de kan senwe no nsia kase asuju awutie nyina ofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ka sanso na baba so na Adjoa Agyei Sikapa senwe masu amasin konyom de ade kan sepono me pa atwenwe no nsia kase na nso sumu dwuma di no bibi bia de mafadu so no besma kadu se man bi se mensuma so magude mu nsam no papa de sumu na sanso to dwuma de so asra piese e kwede Lumba super brono brand me ka cho sensu won waso we omo na timi kwa mo fa dwuma de nyina oka and may fly na my dear 106 na mo se ne yam foma na nkoma later sinya no enso megu afri no ye ba fi fom na afia de fisam nkoma no dodo na enso be sumu dwuma de suna bibi bia no enso timi akwanka Michael so coach eye producer new toners wetimi akuche nsam no agu nkrata so besuma kadu se man bi se me mesam na nsanso ento dwuma de suna bibi bia no enso timi nkwanka nyuma ba dwane show no live on Facebook dia eye capital D capital 106.9 when no images outdoor videos outdoor empokria any we are since outdoor nyina no champion kofitela ayon boy kofite and all this so nyina no enso so mo na bibi bia so atimi akwankan report and asian command asemo dia me patron himself friends ade cancer football federation and na we yamutimi kwa emergency meeting we no enso adwuma de opani friends say yan Infantino FIFA president enso nkoma de ba Montano pamidi san koma no enso de ma say de cancer minority ade cancer stakeholder shares and na FIFA no say almost omo tonso da ma ankwankwa dwuma biam no kasa no omo US Montreal nam so bi na wie ya no ade cancer French football na say French football federation no enso timi nya ade cancer emergency meeting omo so consider say ne ombetimi afo so pani friends say yan Infantino ni dwuma di ono so di no ombetimi so atimi atrom support am pani na yede san komando da na so toja dwuma di asuna bibi bia enso atimi konka report am say kanwume every Czech Republic omanim and say FA president no enso atimi atron support am pani na je friends say yan Infantino FIFA president e was sad dia cancer for me patron minority shareholder ono so person to ma ankwankwa dwuma kona ne omo so US no report am say kan and say Czech Republic omo FA president no was who atron support unim say ne ukopem o Czech Republic omo league FA no womo say masa womo di omo so enti FA president F was womo league ade cancer FA no board members so say no omo to omo fo so enti say ukopem ensure Czech Republic there come here say ne me patron papa munso ana timi tojo FA president enso be fo so me no kasa die me patron cabinet members no womo so omo fo so no a reporter and me say so di nyina no enso to judge media so na bibia enso timi akwanka na yan Infantino din komo we no wa making a stance clear wasi wo man bia na unim say no pamidi komo say 211 members association in the country bia na monso mo FA timi join FIFA no e 211 wakasi studio say ne akoba ni say we your man bia na say federation bi na say wo oppose ono no so ne plan say ne wono so betimi aton stakeholder shares ni bi enso timi atema ankra juma kwa so e wo US and utimi oppose na say pono o so de tia say juma de na say sanse say no na say koba ni say ye gituma kan say masa ye chesika bia wonka ho eno enso panina ye friend say yan Infantino no so statement a ena nwade ba monte de nkoma no dodo na so to judgment de so na bibi bibia enso atimi akwanka nti we na toto na nto ka di nkomasene opani na Kamia Center hapa ana na ono so timi di bo 211 members association omo so timi Johnny FIFA nyero ye de san komato do na so to dwajuma de so na bibia enso atimi akwanka na ni opani a friends Enzo Maresca where new manager Edima Man City team no reporter mense kansa Man City team no enso kwa de kansa preseason ewo Asia Major Brante friends Jack Grealish ewo kire sanso na Calvin Phillips omo emrante mi no opani no so atimi ajomo akire ne wo mo so atimi antrovo nko Asia ne club ye friends Man City team no enso atimi akwa preseason masa chese Jack Grealish jemu eten obeka last 2 season Man City ana simple last 3 season Man City eji EPL Brante bro de masa abrante wonum nsam brutal anti celebration and also jubilation na say enam so bi went me nya ne form bi manai wono so timi kwade cancel loans out to abrante your friends Calvin Phillips their injuries out to and abrante yen so timi ehu the best out of Calvin Phillips and mentia metin say timi ajabrante me no and so if you do the time of mine and also pon we no and so club friends Man City and so ko Asia preseason no omo so timi anko reporter men say can say the very last time abrante friends Jack Grealish and so can way back January Sanswa and Calvin Phillips so the very last time on so timi tina toughness and also parkness so and so di juma fadia can say February and the dem 2 boys way and so report and men say kadinya no and so to judge media so na bibia and so timi kan na manu no ya goalkeeper and so Edema buy money team no kro ya and so gueno goalkeeper and so the more minor your friends say Germany what the official communique and so Monty was say we e very last season one so some ade cancer association football mu unim say at age 40 abrante eguso and so akonkode command goal post the more minor your friends say Germany sanso na club your friends say buy nyina no okwa abrante friends say manu no ya and I say wetimi amount goal post so no and so di commerce nyame ya domwa about retire next season into 2026-2027 season. This season, about we are Manono Yasono at age 40 and also everything to assume in our barrier and also a yantia cram in second meno. Yada San Comania and two Jumadi and Sunabi Bia and Sweat Miakana Senegal sports minister and Swakodin Como was so penina your friend said Papi Thiao during that time. Our my friend says Senegal 2025 AFCON. What guarded the Taranga Lounge of Senegal Air Kwache Obeka final game against Morocco Hunsen Sembe Bre Wapaniwe was it and a himself Senegal Football Federation or Adjoa Penina friend said Papi Thiaka $2 million. FIFA announcer Senegal sports minister was he encounter opening in Tias Masa. Abina and Jan Tumsa, one no air science and contract no. Intene is a minor no sempone say Omodenica on Senegal FNO. Abino and Swan and a canon see a communica opening in Sudama Mountain Mede San Comaniano and Swear to Jananim say International Football Association Board. Yechomutia say IFAB. And so the official communica moment almost during the time FIFA World Cup 2026 I told Clara Minor your friends Switzerland and so any of my friends Argentina and the windam so back Kaisa Brantia your friends Berlin Belu and also Mbolo and so any red card and diving be or diving or Suzanne a Brantia friends Leandro Paredes and so channel when himself referee and red card. I'm also at me that about SAS incidents in the red card and almost where the chow pants were quite a more minor. Your friends Switzerland, no Argentina, Timiana qualification, Coba friend Alusu, and also you come on careful by Dinano, and so to Janatieri, a former player, the more Barca team, also during that time, all Johnny Barca, all free Arsenal, and so Johnny Barca or the injury, and so the Korean during that time, Crampon and none, you don't shoot Jano Timasa, a Duba Binemo, Ninjamuno, not Barca fans, and so I expect him more, and so if you honor. Timi ajitum sene masa we ya bema chesem pempino yentimi enhu babon baby a wa emrana se baby a wan udwadwo ni nyina mo nkofo dodo na so timi na se pone betimi aka se pono nkofo dodo na wajide se ya bema nku ade e wo se utimi enhu e kan sisi so na se utimi numa dura nwunti tiare ni si during that time wo free house na Johnny Barca ne mo ade ni nyina mo wono so timi konkode no so ente ya ana se nkoma akra pani na friend se tiare ni so no enso da mamantina yan Infantino Nkoma no pano wedi ya ude kofi ya na bo na fe ye pia sound ne to ase Gianni Infantino Nkoma wedi se na obi antimi stop no wobeton ade kan se minority stakeholder shares no enso da adama individual ade kan se organization e wo USA Gianni Infantino Nkoma odi ni
FFE is actually a proposal, an offer. It's part of a democratic process, a consultation process And above all, it is an opportunity, but not an obligation. And as I said, it kicks off the consultation process. It would simply commercialize and organize all FIFA-owned competitions, along with sponsorship, broadcast licensing, and new venture for the benefit of FIFA's 211 member associations. The commercial side of the game is the natural next step in this evolution. So we
Why a Gianni Infantino, FIFA president, and Comodia, F.A. Kansas minority section, Kansas stakeholder channel, and so person what one no, and now this Sanchez Chemway and sweat me at 2 German Penifonso, and your Montias, I didn't come out on so toja, how would you made now John Stones and sweat me at it down Italy. When him say Macacho said John Stones, and so at me Aquasanema, Inter Milan, and Anopa, or Penny sweat me at it down. Bibi Biadidam, yes, John Stones, the coming weeks there, and also bet me at the pen and was signing my Inter Milana, yet the sound coming on air to Jana Fuam, and so Aman Matias says, and a brantia, your friends Gonzalo Garcia Siakai, Edima Rio Madrid, and Omuki Thomas, some 40 million euros. Plus of 2 million euros. I know you add-ons are. Woman they call for branch friends Gonzalo Garcia free Real Madrid. No, and see a report. I mean, second fifth club. Your friends say Fuam and you know. Yet is some coming on air to Jana after sa branch here. Your friends say James Trafford. Johnny Club and friends say Leeds United and Tiametin say Man City. Consider some call for branch friends Garomino. Really, and also so ebetimi abedwane club your friends say Man City 40 million pounds and a Man City say omade ko fa sa brand and dem come on dodo na so to George Media so na masense no and so timi advance o mo touch club your friends say West Ham United where your brand friends say Yanklet Todibo Wama say wametimi akwasani a Branton weno dia kan say 5-year contract and omade come as a Branton friends say Yanklet Todibo and meno yede san komanya no and so to Jana Maxen Locres a done deal. They say what Johnny Club friends said Chelsea from Crystal Palace. Omunya adia cancer 52 million pounds. Masa sikane bi papa 6 years contract extension. As simple 6 years contract. And Chelsea had my branch friends. When Maxen Lacrosse had him come on. Dudwana and swear to Janano Papa Kaise me come on. And some as a branch friends Franco Mastantuano. When him some Madrid saying a branch bet me a cobol loan. And so a club for branch and Sinkane Madrid for bet me Jana Oman in Kwani Chrome. Back to club friends River Plate and Tiamete and he says air Shoma Munina and if Fiorentina Munina Adjoa Agyei Madrid Wamasi Wamu Prata is a Branton to bet me still Europa and made some commando Dudona Soma Sanswana Metis France teams outdo Pina and idea can say Spain me patro teams outdo Pina Super Quadana your friends Franco Master Antoine and yet is some commando and so to Jana a Branton as when you opening a friends Eddie Howe. After someone sweating me making intentions clear, so they are assuming you know, by we our Newcastle United and Tiamete, and it's so penny and friends say yes, sir. One other some penny funds to consider say one bet me and so Eddie Jumana man and team Matthias yourself there. They say in the coming days, here Tisane, my club friends and Newcastle, and so when these are no also may idea can some manager, and so my idea can some idea can some piece of Newcastle team in the dia. Nessa BB Biadi the man also a report can come in Sekadino, and so to judge medias and not young false no, and so Bob Pia Brantia friends Osman Diamante. When we see Academy Sporting CP team no report I mean seconds. 34 million pounds and I'm not young for us and a woman de Kofasa Branton Tene, not your man sure Quadana, your friends Osman Diamante was your Academy Sporting CP team no, you didn't come out to Donna Soma and command and get dos nemum, Rano Quanti, our CSC from now, and Yama and Nasan Commander coming your channel pa, yet trans Ewan da Somo Bia Jumedian Swa, now Yadina Som now, Kofia Soys no Mammy Michael Lise, New Holidays enjoyment and also a video now, just only baby girls do one now and so on more poolside. Masa footballers no mu blonti wo mu dio musika munya no mu ndi masa Michael Olise na enjoyment we dia no atene enti baby girls bikini won we no chese masa footballers so mu nyoma na baby girl se Adjoa we no watweki na we sheki enti boom pa ma ti kofi de bo video na na fe Ghana for enjoy bi ti Michael Olise na yes baby girls yes we no omu piansi ne so sa yes baby boy watami kuchu na won Adjoa ntimi busa twerking na shaking Adjoa twerking on inti baby girl say twerking on lise pa inti on this note amana nin come nyina de fancy kan katesi Lumba sipa yensi form yenti we mraba e fita mon come on yenfa kakra bi nso so na fe yenso adwuma di nso
Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip with a super break. Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip with a super break. Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip with a super break.
DL Power Sports. That DL Power Sports. That
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Right, Abusia Sinkonya so kan ketasi Lumba supermarket was sensu papa Adjoa so de eno ani Lumba super wo san Lumba super konum su foforo de amasa na kame ye se watu pete to anwum matama ana egusu Sinkonya so anei agude mu nsem yade so mofa du so na yafa fisam komo no kitwa bi enso so na fe international DJ Afiba enso me so ma wo so no fa me wo so na bibia nso entimi nkonka me no kase de Ghana unim say Commonwealth Games are Adjoa was Scotland Glasgow 2026 yegusu aye pem so na nwumre ya ana 200 meters men's no semi-finals no Adjoa na James Dazi Ghana ni di show no so etimi etu first seed na odi fourth position entimi no kasa de emu aden edema James Dazi wo de join show na yem fili hawa James Dazi enso etimi ewie ni race no Henti way James Dazi Ghana ni di show no etimi to ade kan say 200 men's meters I will first see to the fourth position. I didn't come on. Dudwana and Swama one otimi clock 20.52 seconds. And T James the fourth position. The move and say we bet me a qualify na Ghana your finest athlete. Joseph Polamo Abranti and Modemo Conca 200 meters. No one way to me at the first. I won hit him. He two. What clock 20.24 seconds. And Joseph Polamo and so the first. Join the show on our Facebook na fe. Yan sure how Joseph and so to me to America. Enti Joseph Polamwa say what finishing crowd and I say I jogging on is enti Joseph as it stands the time in any position or dear you bet me aka studio so no bet me remo final no brain no jaden komodo do na so enti ya bompa nyina ya bompa da ma Joseph Polamwa say no so e betimi afo ade kan say medal podium na no so etimi nya medal bi ya da ma Ghana no so enkomo aka anyume ensia so edi nyina no enso atuja na Media Sporting Club enso so etimi asane abrantia je friends Emmanuel no unim say no say Academy Nations and Media CAF Champions League Nations and so babo CAF Confederations League ni nyina no wom so etimi atom akokɔ be de ma Media Man ti na brantia je friends Emmanuel no assistance ono so etimi asane ma Media Ma anwede nkoma no dodo na so etudwa na nim se madi nkoma se ne Media Ma enso ebebo ade kan se CAF Confederations Cup na ene CAF enso so etimi abakromu a enso betimi atimi aba investigate anase ye kan se o ma survey so stadium anze TNA takwa and a boss ade kan se stadium no e one on person hosti home matches enso so our CAF Champions League nim na CAF enso so edi expertise enso aba atimi aba ya den o matimi aba survey ade kan se ganso reporter meeting so matimi approve category 2 in the second phase of Media Ma TNA Stadium no omo so etimi approve anei omo so gusu apem so se omo so betimi akonkode na ade kan se preliminary stage no omo betimi aboni nyina e wota kwantin komo no ana edi nyina no eso komo de nke doso na yeso so agude mu nsem nyina no unim se abrantia your friends Hamza Isa where your striker Papa Padima has to folk never say that until the bones are fully rotten. The Continental Club Masters Abrantiwe Equa Ball Trials was South Africa Club. Your friend says Siwilele United. Na Abrantiwe enso so etimi qualify nei. Ne mo esom panifonia. Entia meeting said 3 games are ono so eboy and another 5 games oboy no was 3 goals 2 assists. Enti striker de nanka no ubo 5 matches we share 3 goals. Enya ade kan say 2 assists, 5 goals involvement and another 5 goals contribution in 5 games are. Nese masa ne mo de mo kwankan ni nyinam no enam house of folk omo bana FIFA abani omo ade kan say 3 seasons ntimi ento player bia na mso bi nanei saa deal na enso ntimi ankotu nti Hamza Isa esa eba back to Ghana Mweden nti Hasso Folk striker friends Hamza Isa due to Hasso Folk omo bana FIFA abani omo ni nyina nsa omo former technical director Pania friends Rene Hentek one on Hasso Folk edenika $150,000 FIFA ese omo ntua sika na omo ntua omo ekele ntua no omo nim so omo chiguo omo brand friends Hamza Isa nkenei wenya kwenya ekosi akan ewa South Africa Siwilele United Nanka kakraba ni nyina no antimi antentam due to band no abrante no esa bagana enti on this note agude mu nsema boabo nyina no yem fancy yenda Lumba nsupa se abrano brand mu amotimi ekoyam aso yase ema etimi de agude mu nsem no eba Michael so coacher eye producer on D2 na kutimi kuchire nsem ni nyina no egu nkrata so pesima kadu sai mambi se me besani mu ema onsa eto dwumade nso champion Kofitela Iron Boy Kofite pressure upon pressure big game by our standard no ana otimi ade ko Facebook ne so images audio videos audio na reactions ni no onsa so nti Kofi commentary ni papa pa na de beba Black Queens game no a big game ye din nyina beba nti on this note agude mu nsem nyina no wo fa ye fancy wo bo
what is Bismarck
baba
almost has to full to ton prayer be anqua outside all.
And I'm
to mean to be. And I'm yes, a bonny a 20. Yeah. Coach Pam, Bassa, has an ecotoko.
Mofamonza Muntiomuka. Contrato.
Nay be says Cassie. Miss Gana say, said I and I weren't the bedding. What you go? Papa. What you go? Hey, now what the answer got sank secured.
And then Adjoa Doma.
Opening or told Domina didn't come on anything. I'll be can say,
I'll be one out to for Adjoa. A very out break.
But my wife has a bit too. Adjoa for tea way me by.
Bama was such a space. Bracelet 5 good inside. Ring your bell 10 as a channel. The space no more soon. The bets and then in Pabua, I had the crow. Because I be man on Rema or your fan boy come by the man.
What here? Your Bismarck when
Miss Makuya be a number head.
Never mind your car one day. What's in the space in the moose?
Me fisi say what can want them to
Sadia went in a job do ko kwaye na wa ma bi ono.
And you know my friend na benya ho aba na yatimi aka ma asumbiaba.
Me kura me ni Ghana ha. Me ko kwaye.
Uni Ghana ha wo kwaye. Ajabadu.
Me wa sankwa.
Ajabadu bako ade.
What is that?
Ajabadu. Boko ade.
Uti boko.
Odabe na benya ho aba na yatimi aka ma asumbiaba.
Me kura me ni Ghana ha. Me ko kwaye.
Uni Ghana ha wo kwaye.
Yes, Ajabadu kwade a Bismarck almost secret bi wo ho no mo. Yemna sisi an yemfantu dwane yensore why?
Ntuan kan no kra me you secret.
Ayu ne ka.
Wo secret wa ho. Me ka chan. E dey secret a. Me ka chan ta mo ka kire me se. Oya man se adwuma wa ide nti one ne ile ni ja ye ne se. Ono wo kwa anadwo. Nti bi wo ha e wo man no abafiri. E wo man no abafiri. Nti obai na be ma foforo ne ile no da.
Catch me.
Catch you.
Ma mo me buhia.
Enti Bismarck said ya na je bebodua. Na no kra wo nyina ne se yesi amanfo achi gu ho pa wo kra yim ndi se yachi begu ho saade a ye be ko ni se ya
Shegelege yeso wo nickname no Shegelege
ya nware ye bia no adi
me ka Shegelege a wonye so no Shegelege
ya nware ye bia no adi na mra ne no
umra ne
asai bidi agoro basa aya unwe TV so
enti Bismarck ya mo hwe TV wase yachi begu ho de a ene ya ware ne de mani sikapa be ya adwen ye nwade musa tobi so a kire din
be is commission for so ho mamu
na de ne sa ho ba mo asebe na kan sa no is commission ne ye de ba de ne de wa mo no ho ban na obenya nso hwe
Adjoa
na no kra wo mnyane se na watwi mu Bismarck to men kra se ya na be koso wo manyim
uni ana me chiri no mini maguzo mu no uni ana me chiri no me frequency abakrom e ma akoko mo mehwe ya ni ska fo me chiri hey so here you already me kwa kurasi bi wo banka bra kurasi de me ko bi wo mu koko na aka wuram mo kwati mare ye hey sabi ase do
uni sika o se mo men e men pa sika na enu ho a enti Bismarck no ano no nti secret ne me yama wo no nti ya me ya adoma e cha no pass e behia
Samje
huhia Samje
afo
ana no me koto no me ne Bismarck ne Miss Mabel ntwiko ho na me hia no na wo fa me de me hu sie kakra ba do hu me we hu me full body hu me hu ntem kakra bi
Samje
nti ka kire Samje
na wo hu sie
da bia na mete ne nya de obetumi hu me sa hu se ka no
na
tinted enti no
usia na nyi
oh tapi ye kura yan sha den sisi ono ane de obehia ye ntine ye ntimi ansisa
nti anyume nso banku ne tilapia na ekoso pa
better nti ye befa ho
yes
mefa ho kire nse mefo ansama kofi nti Samje michewa numre ni ebusuafo ni nyina ye chewo mu nyina better say no no mate
miss Henrietta nso otema committee 2
okay
ana
Miss Henrietta na ye hwan
ono ye offer entourage ni secretary
oh okay that's fine
ono is what the press conference be ba dada
oh okay that's fine
ana Lajos
mate
Lajos otema committee 1
okay
ye kanta de passe ye mpamata de nche onipa e ma mema
na wonya hwe se na chiguo
Lajos a chinguo
mate soro kwe ori mate
ana be ma yanso ye mpaboa
mate
nti Lajos boy enta
be ma ya ne na chiguo because na ntwinam na o hye ho bo bepem na anya ono a
David be ma David
hwan na o so o ma na ntwinam no
ono a
opening Madina
sa
wose o senior bi
enam bi Muslim
bepem ne na chiguo basa sa be ma ya na chiguo bruta ne so nyina pi soro ko kasi aboni ye de sebu fo ne ya Miss Mabel antwa ho fedua ene se mo emma ye na me wofa se champion tailor be mo boata e de ekopie mu e wo Facebook ene fi yitima kasi ebono wonya bi ehwe yem me wofa se ba Belinda one de me kase no na boy ho ban wadan ho no ma ena yi manual wa sai nya ko akete e boy o kase ebodam mu akankanfo ne ye banu e de ameje so ye wofa o se ade yo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mautedin ene bantwere bonana otafri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
Shano say senior man himself Mr. Sammy Kwa Dr. Borman say DJ Zigby ene o chinchim kese free from adusum yanimre yes so international DJ afi ba betena se nyum nkoto free Sammy kopim nondu anyum na back to back kasanim e kire din na se nyum bia ba bonten mu odesa no manam sikase oni nyum amekan kwan papa bi nyum no etate ne yeden etwi se no a na edi twi okurum de mesrawo se won san ke me kopa bi a kire kwan boom play Spotify ba bia YouTube ba bia video ne da honom kopa bi na nyum abaso na se kwan papa bi no yem papa Daddy Lumba ye nyina nim se no do no pa won fani ni agro se obehye Daddy Lumba mpa bo no obetumi ahye obehye zia se de aye no onya fo se ane yem so wa hye half ede e kakran ko ba feel boot no what you say se kwa nyum na mu da ho one me wofa se ba shi one na voice no utie nyum awie na ohu nyina ye wo se yiri na mo de nyum e ba ye se etwi ne ba ye enyum na mu ode ko pa bi a kire kwan enyum se na wante ye ka bi wa yakra o